I'm just fucking lit, man, I'm just fucking lit. Drink a bottle of this shit, man, bottle of this shit. I'm about to write a hit, man, about to write a hit. No, I'm never gonna quit, man, never gonna quit. I just took another hit, man, took another hit. I'm about to lose my shit, man, about to lose my shit. Does she have a fucking wrist, man? Yeah, she needs that shit. Better get her out real quick, man, get her out real quick.
May nag-comment yung at na si Cam.
Are you the president or the freedom?
Good game.
Yeah, ako bahala.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield.
Yung sa stream ko guys, stream.
Small fight. Like playing house.
Na-end live yung stream ko ay nagpuputol-putol yung stream ko guys. Pero kung nangyari sa stream? Nagpuputol
Good girls avoid trouble, while I make it.
Wait lang. Hindi ko marinig. Ba't nagdalag?
Somebody's got their stuff pulled out. My life, my
Nen.
choice.
Sino ate? Sino mama?
My needle is more than a
Mama.
doll sewing tool.
Mo? Mo? Mama mo? Tapos? Sabihan mo. Kahit naman di mo makuha yan eh. Level up na yan eh.
If only she could be with me now.
Ano yan? Tawag. Lubo naman mo kompi naman to.
Me to work. They give me my fees, I fill their needs. Stay close.
Yan, dami siya to guys.
I don't trust words. They can hurt like weapons.
First kill ko pa. First kill ko pa, first kill ko pa. Tignan mo, may kasunod pa yan.
Between life
Antay mo, third item.
and my needle. Stay close.
Mga chippy. Kaya yung stream got double song, I think.
Say
This will
the
take it. Oh, wait, guys.
cheese.
Wait, ma bro.
Stay close.
I will turn up the in-game sounds, guys. Walang dash. Tara.
If regret had a flavor, they'd be the first ones to taste it.
Taka, mabawasan niya lang lahat. Wala siya mamatayin. Wala pa skill. This is not troll build, guys. This is my build with Melissa.
Giggles?
Perfect building, Melissa.
Catch up.
Piso, tumak!
Stay close.
Tumak, piso, tumak! Flicker.
Launch attack. Didn't your mother ever tell you? Never get too close to
Baka
me.
bukas lang sa UI. Hindi ko alam eh.
Stay close.
Nagamit mo pang live. Roji.
Business, not my thing. Annoyances.
Central.
You got me.
Central lang eh. Meltol.
Stay close.
Black na si Otis. Sakto lang.
I have my doll. Stay close.
Ano ba naman kayo? Parang Shermat yan eh.
Double kill. Stay close.
Papa-preheat oh.
You have slain an enemy. Stigma? Look at
Tingnan mo
them.
yung next item. Tingnan mo na after ng Demon Hunter.
Abandoned dog. Killing spree.
Tignan mo na lang, antay mo. Masyado kasi nahuhusga eh, tol. Ayun ang mga hirap sa Pilipino eh. Hindi pa tapos, inuhusga na. Ayun ang hirap sa atin eh.
Your team destroyed a turret. Rules?
Walang bawas to.
Killing spree.
Hindi matay, tol.
Mega kill.
Anong wala? Walang papit eh, wala tayong bawas.
Whatever.
Hindi, kahit kanino, hindi. O, yun. Oo, perfect na MC lang, tingnan mo. Pagka glowing one ko, malipik tas Divine Blade.
Be with me now. Double kill. Stigma?
Antay mo yung glowing, mas masakit.
Time for some needlework.
Hindi content creator to, tol.
Team destroyed.
Ayun, nasa buto, tingnan mo. Ayun yung content creator.
Stigma?
Laya pag 1v5. Guys, tignan yung link. Guys, tignan yung link ko na ay pag 1v5.
Stigma?
Ubusin ko to. Ayun ang content yan. Ryzen, inubos ang 5, 1v5.
Stigma? Stigma?
Saan mo nakuha yan? Iniisip ko lang yan. Ay,
An ally.
gago din ah.
The turtle.
Bastos yun ah. Kung babata ka tol, bakit matanda ka na?
Somebody's got their stuff.
Binabata ko yung bata.
Stigma?
Ano ba ito? Mga nagkawa-content? Mga kampi ko?
Your turn, Muddles.
Build to guys para sa anti-enchant. Pang anti-enchant to. Wait lang, bahala ka dyan. Dito ka tukbo.
Never get too close to me.
Pinang damage, nasusunog. Kada atake. Tignan mo muna, o sige. Ako muna da-damage, bigyan na damage. Ulang pa yung item ko eh. Oh my god. Oy, ay! Tignan niyo for blades ko guys. Ayun ang mga caption yan. Ayun, nasusunog ko to. Atake lang. Peder.
Business, not my thing. Annoyances. You got me.
Napaka-magnetic para sa mga makukunan.
Stigma?
Ano mga dalawa sa mga item ko tol.
I don't trust words. They can hurt like weapons.
Mo chibi. Pampuwi pita sa lamang ka.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Dito pag may corrosion pa, corrosion pa nga ako. Settings nyo guys, close tas ano, closest time. Closest time.
Between life and death is shorter than 9 minutes.
Sige. Wala pa akong expired.
Battle spell in
5, 4. Asan?
Stigma?
Nice one.
Destroy the turret.
Nice one, tol. Oy, ito lang.
Stigma? Stigma? Music is such a very noisy.
Yeah, tol.
Right away. Stigma?
Nagdash oh. Bob.
Your turn, Muddles. Stigma? Unstoppable! Slain Lord! Stigma?
Ay, ito lang. Saan na? Ano to? Galak ba yun, dragon?
Mega kill! Stigma? My needle is more than a doll sewing tool. Double kill!
Sub daw. Nasun, can you... Ay, I don't want to say that. That's bad word.
Stay close.
Siyempre, player na siya. Tamak, saka ba Tamak? Dubai? Player siya Tamak eh.
Victory!